All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Hey, everybody, it's 2022. 2022. Happy New Year to everybody. Awesome stuff. The ball dropped yesterday. Were you in the Metaverse? Did you go to New York? I don't know. We're going to talk about that. Today, on this episode, we're talking about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Which one of these coins is the better of the two dog memes? I mean, some people like the Dogecoin, some people like the Shiba Inu. They kind of flip-flop and this and that. Doge on Mars is coming, Floki's coming. But today, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, that's what we're talking about. We're going to go to their website, figure out where they're at, what's going on with them. Can Shiba Inu regain its place over Dogecoin? We're going to find that out. And then we're also going to talk about the Metaverse last night. Did you actually go and watch the ball dropping? All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to, I guess we'll start with Dogecoin. All right, over here, coin market cap. Dogecoin is at number 12. Shiba Inu is at number 13. Take a look. In the last 7 days, they're both down 8% and 8%. They both have bounced back 2.23%, 1.89%, pretty much 2%. So if they're down 8 and they're back up 2, they're really still negative about 6%. Jumping over to Dogecoin. Again, over here traded at 17 cents, up about 1.78%. Take a look in the last 7 days. This token actually got to 19 cents here, and it's down to 17 cents. So a few within the last 7 days, it was a little bit higher. And the Dogecoin has come down, so Doge is down right this second. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu right here, clicking it. Again, it's 4 zeros and a 3403, so there's 4 zeros last 7 days. So we got the same pattern for both of them. You know, Shiba Inu was up higher, and then basically in the last 7 days, it's kind of come down. So Shiba and Dogecoin are in the exact same pattern prediction here. Again, taking a look, very, very strong. Number 12th cryptocurrency on the planet. Number 13th on coin market cap. 12 and 13. Really liking that a lot. Going over here to Dogecoin. Its website, Dogecoin. One Dogecoin equals one Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. So they're liking each other, I guess. Choose your wallet, even though Shiba is a Dogecoin killer. You have to sync your blockchain to use Dogecoin. Multi-Doge is a light wallet and sync that will blockchain by skimming through the blockchain, provide very fast times. So you pick your wallet where you want to store your Dogecoin. Now, what is Dogecoin? Let's go ahead and check this out.
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right. So I just wanted to play that little short video real quick. The Dogecoin. Let's go ahead and jump over to this article. All right, so I did like that little video favoring a little bit of the Dogecoin. Let's see. Can Shiba Inu regain its place as a top dog over Dogecoin? Dogecoin claims a higher market value than Shiba for at least right now. Here's some key points. Shiba Inu temporary top Dogecoin in the rankings based on market cap. It was very temporary. It has severe catalysts on the way that could enable it again to move past Dogecoin. The ultimate winner could depend on which meme coin receives the most online buzz. So, again, once upon a time, there was a Japanese hunting dog and attracted cryptocurrency fans. The name of the dog was Dogecoin. But then came another coin called the Dogecoin Killer. Well, we know that is Shiba Inu. Amassed an army of supporters. Eventually, it would pass Dogecoin in the rankings and the cryptocurrency based on market cap. Well, the victory didn't last long. Dogecoin now stands at number 11 and Shiba at number 13. It's actually 11 and 12. Can Shiba Inu regain its place in the top dog over Dogecoin? What about Floki? What about Dogecoin Mars? I know we're not talking about them. We're just talking about Dogecoin and Shiba on this one. So we got some Japanese hunting dogs right there. There are some reasons to believe that Shiba Inu could once again dominate Dogecoin. The cryptocurrency have several potential catalysts on the way. It could send Shiba Inu price soaring. However, there's really one that puts it in a level playing field with Dogecoin. AMC Entertainment plans to accept Shiba Inu coin as payment option in the near future. But the movie theater can already allow customers to buy gift cards using Dogecoin. Yeah, but the thing is that's going to level the playing field. So Dogecoin's at AMC and if Shiba becomes in there. Here's the next one. Robinhood could decide to add Shiba Inu to the trading platform. Again, Dogecoin is on Robinhood, and Shiba's not. To be sure, it's uncertain of when this might happen. Robinhood executives have publicly stated that they're not in any hurry to make any altcoin available to investors. Even if Shiba Inu is to be added to the platform, there would be only catching up to the main rival. Robinhood customers can already buy Dogecoin. That's what I was saying. So after the buzz, I guess it all depends. Like they said at the end, I guess it all depends on who gets all the buzz on the online in 2022. But Shiba still needs to get listed on Robinhood. Shiba still needs to, get listed in AMC theaters. I mean, if it was even Steven, kind of like a football team. There's 11 players in this side, and there's 11 players in this side, and they play the game. Well, if Dogecoin has 11 players and Shiba has 9 or 7 or 8 players, once Shiba gets equal, they're both on Robinhood. They're both at AMC. Who knows what could happen? So, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you think Shiba's going to pass the Dogecoin? Do you think Dogecoin's going to stay in the lead? Or do you really think Dogecoin Mars is going to come and get... Now, I don't think Dogecoin Mars will get that high. But either way, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Dogecoin and Shiba. Over here at the Shiba Inu website, a decentralized meme token that evolved into a vibrant ecosystem. It says SHIB, Leash, Bone, Shiba Swap. How to buy. So how do you buy it? That one's real easy. Buy SHIB, buy Leash, buy Bone. Now Shiba Leash can be purchased on the Shiba Swap. You can go to Binance and buy Shiba too. Buy some SHIB, buy Leash, buy the Bone. Create a MetaMask wallet, send in ETH to your wallet, connect your wallet to Shiba Swap, then swap to ETH for Shiba, Leash, or Bone. You go to Shiba Swap to do this. Back over here, CoinMarketCap. So Shiba and Dogecoin, number 12 and number 13, they're both down about 8% in the last 7 days. They're both up about 2% in the last 24 hours. Give us your thoughts. Which coin do you like better? Is there one you favor? Do you have them both, or do you only have one of them? All right, finish in the top 10 here. Polkadot's up 5% in the last 24 hours. I guess we're going to do the half and half. Terra's up 5, but it's down 10 in the last 7 days. So, got a little uptick right there. Bitcoin is actually up 2%, down 7. Ethereum's down 8% in 7 days. Binance Coin is up 2% in the last 24 hours. All right, everybody. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. Oh, and I didn't even get a chance to do the Metaverse. Did you go to the Metaverse yesterday? Did you put it on, the goggles, and did you see the ball dropping? That was going on yesterday. How many people on the channel actually got to do that? So don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, it's a brand new year, 2022. Have a fantastic day today.